The Nikon Z90 is generating significant buzz in the photography community, poised to be a game-changer in the APS-C mirrorless camera market. With its anticipated advanced features and robust performance, the Z90 aims to cater to both photography enthusiasts and professionals seeking a versatile and powerful tool. Anticipated release date and pricing. Rumors suggest that Nikon plans to announce the Z90 between August and September of 2024, with availability expected shortly thereafter. Pricing speculation places the Z90 in the range of $1,800 to $2,200, positioning it as a premium offering in the APS-C segment. The new camera. Lens logic. Expected specifications and features. The Nikon Z90 is rumored to boast impressive specifications that could set new standards for APS-C cameras. High-resolution sensor. A 33-megapixel APS-C sensor is anticipated, offering exceptional image quality and detail. The new camera. Advanced video capabilities. The Z90 is expected to support 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, catering to videographers seeking high-resolution footage. The new camera. In-body image stabilization. IBIS. Incorporating IBIS would enhance handheld shooting by reducing camera shake, a feature highly valued by both photographers and videographers. High-speed continuous shooting. A burst rate of up to 20 frames per second in RAW format is rumored, appealing to sports and wildlife photographers who require rapid shooting capabilities. The new camera. Advanced autofocus system. The Z90 is expected to feature a sophisticated autofocus system with rapid subject detection and tracking, enhancing its performance in dynamic shooting scenarios. Rugged build and ergonomic design. A durable, weather-sealed body with intuitive controls is anticipated, ensuring reliability and ease of use in various shooting conditions. Comparison with competitors. In the competitive landscape of APS-C mirrorless cameras, the Nikon Z90 is positioned to rival models like the Canon EOS R7. While the EOS R7 offers notable features, the Z90's rumored specifications, including a higher resolution sensor and advanced video capabilities, may provide it with a competitive edge. Implications for photographers and videographers. The introduction of the Nikon Z90 could significantly impact both amateur and professional visual storytellers. Enhanced creative possibilities. The combination of high-resolution imaging, advanced video capabilities, and robust autofocus opens new avenues for creative expression. Versatility across genres. From capturing fast-paced sports action to producing cinematic video content, the Z90's features cater to a wide range of photographic and videographic applications. Investment in the Nikon ecosystem. For those already within the Nikon system, the Z90 offers an opportunity to leverage existing lenses and accessories while upgrading to cutting-edge technology. Conclusion. While official details are yet to be confirmed, the Nikon Z90 is shaping up to be a formidable contender in the APS-C mirrorless camera market. Its anticipated features and performance have the potential to redefine expectations and provide photographers and videographers with a powerful tool to elevate their work.